Hello students, welcome back. Students, we were studying soils and mineral, okay? And today the topic what I'm going to start that is minerals. So firstly, we must know what is the meaning of minerals. It is not given in the book, right? What is mineral? Minerals is inorganic natural substance is minerals. Inorganic natural substance is called minerals, right? There are three words: inorganic, natural, you know the meaning of natural, you know the meaning of substance, any matter, right? And the first word is inorganic, as like copper, as like iron, aluminum, and so on. They are the minerals. So, this minerals are extracted from ore. Just I'm coming up on the definition of ore, but firstly thoroughly I would like to explain you the meaning of minerals. Minerals, inorganic natural substance. What is the meaning of inorganic? Inorganic means matter which is not coming from living matter, which is not coming from living beings. It is inorganic, or maybe say not containing carbon. Okay, carbon is a element which we do study in science, in chemistry. So class, it is meaning of inorganic. So inorganic natural substance is called mineral. Clear? Because class, in this book, what they how they have started, just only they are writing they are writing here about the thing, the text is there. Every day we make use of number of things which are made of minerals. So but firstly there is a need to know now what is the meaning of minerals. So now I hope you understand. Inorganic natural substance. What is the meaning of inorganic? A substance which is not coming from living matter. They are inorganic. Okay, which are made up of minerals like fans. Now you do understand. Now you compare what the text is being here. Made up of minerals like fan, car, gold, glass, coal, petrol, right? They are coming from fossil fuel. And minerals are, now you this line you have been understanding in a more clear way, clear way. So which are made up of minerals like fan and so on. Means the fan is made up of minerals. What is the meaning of minerals? We heard this term so many times, mineral, but now we just focus on this word, the mineral. Okay. So now the next line is starting here. Minerals are used by man since times immemorial. Earlier, their use was limited. Today, due to increasing demand, we use the minerals. The use of mineral is also increasing, and this thing also we are finding in our environment. Okay. Minerals are minerals. This line is very important, class. Just listen very carefully. Minerals are naturally occurring inorganic substance. Actually, the meaning has explained here in this para. Okay, in the and starting earlier, I have been explained you. Minerals are naturally occurring inorganic substance. And what is the meaning of inorganic? That is I explained you. Okay, so that is not coming from living matter, of also not coming from living beings. It is the meaning of inorganic. So what the things naturally coming from non-living matter, they are called minerals. So from this line we have been understand is that the mineral must coming from any non-living things or substance. Understand? So it's a one proving problem has done here. We have done. Okay. Now just move on. Process of digging them. Okay. From the mines, we just dig out what mineral. Digging them out is called mining. It is called mining. When minerals or ores are extracted from the surface, is called open pit mining. Class, you know the mines, the word has might be have heard the word coal mines, where we find the coal. Okay, and it is a deep and a big, bulkiest dig are there by the cranes and big machines, right? We just dig out, we're digging out. Okay, so it's called mining. So when minerals or ore are extracted from the surface, is called open pit mining. When it is extracted from the deep mines, it is called deep mining. Clear? And it is mentioned here there are more than 3,000 known species of minerals so far. Okay, this line just you learn, it is a one fact are there, learn it. Now class, the next point is going to start, that is types of metal. Okay, one word we have used here, one term is ore, and this term also I have sent you class in your to write in your copy and it is also given in the new term, the terms ore. What is the ore? Natural occurring mineral rich material, means whatever the material in which the mineral present in a profitable scale, it is called ore. Class clear? So just you learn it. These are definition. That's actually in this class, in the sixth class, all these terms you have to learn it. Each and everything it just always present in your brain. This is not seen dictionary, not seen in copy and anywhere. After this class, the whole thing that should be comes in your mind. So here the next point is that is types of minerals. So there are the two types of minerals. One is non-metallic and metallic minerals. You know the metal and non-metal. The metal which conduct heat and electricity, right? A metal. The next another meaning that you will see might be have seen in the science. Metal which having a good amount of electrons, free electrons. Okay, and maybe you not understand. So which conduct a substance which do conduct heat and light, they are called matter. Okay, and one is insulator which do not support or which do not conduct heat and light. It is they are insulator. So the point is metallic minerals. Okay, so firstly the metal comes in your mind. So what are the terms that should become in your brain? Copper, okay, and silver is also metal, okay, and next is aluminum, iron, and so on. So metallic minerals are normally found in ores. The ore is, and the meaning of ore is also is being mentioned here. The ore is natural occurring rock or soil with high concentration of one or more metal. Okay, and there's one topic you will see in the higher classes, that is metallurgy, in which you will find out how to extract metal from the ore. Okay, just reverse my video and listen my line again. Okay, this term also just you keep in mind, metallurgy, and the meaning of metallurgy also explained here, right? So the ore is mined in raw form. After mining, it is purified. And what is mentioned here? There is the one process is being started. Just listen very carefully, right? The ore is mined in raw form. Now we got the ore. After this, after mining it, it's purified in the industries, and the metal and other elements are extracted from it. It is a process. That process we do study in metallurgy, but the process is given here. And it is also mentioning here, when ores occurring in large bodies, they are called deposits. They are called deposits. When we are finding, for example, if we are finding the copper, iron, or any metal, particular metal which in a big amount, so it's called deposit. We often call them mineral deposit, because the mineral, it is mineral, so we call as mineral deposit. Okay, some of the important ores are there. Science and technology of metal is known as metallurgy. It is also mentioning here, learn it. Okay, and some few class points are there. Magnetite, containing heavy concentration of iron. Okay, and hematite contain class, what are they are the name of ore. Okay, and you must know and you must learn the name of ore. from which any particular metal is extracted. If the question come, write the ore from which the iron is extracted. So you write that the answer is magnetite. Okay, and next is hematite, which is also contain iron, but magnetite, which is having a high concentration of iron. Okay, next is hematite, which contain iron, bauxite, which contain aluminium, galena, which contain lead and sulfide. Just learn it. And next is chalcopyrite, which contain iron and copper both. Okay, class, you learn it. Learn the ore name and as well which metal is there, which metal is present in that particular ore. Okay. After this class, mentioning here metals of common use are iron, copper, aluminium, and this thing we know it, and it is using in our domestic level also we are using, and etc. Iron is extracted from the number of ores. Some ores contain heavy concentration of iron like magnetite and hematite, it is mentioned just earlier, and some ores contain low concentration of iron like limonite and siderite. Okay, so this term also you learn it, in which the iron is present there but in low concentration. The metal of iron is of utmost importance to man because it is of its maximum use. Okay, and it is used in almost all the industries. Metal of copper is used in electrical industry. We use the copper in electrical wire because it is cheap, and as well it is a good conductor of electricity. The best conductor is silver, but silver is costly, and copper is economical, so we use copper. All electrical wires are made of copper. Next is aluminium. Here class, actually it is proving for the different types of the significance where they are explaining about the different types of metal. Aluminium is another important metal useful to man. It is extracted from bauxite ore. Aluminium, it is light metal. Okay, and we use utensil, copper utensil. We use in our kitchen. Aluminium is a light metal, therefore it is used in aircraft manufacturing. This point is to be learning, important point. Many utensils are also made of it. The last one, gold. Okay, precious. Gold is very costly metal. It is mainly used in making of ornaments, and it is also found in the ore form. Okay, so class, this thing what I have explained you, this is about the metallic mineral I explained today. What the part is left here, non-metallic minerals and the exercise are left here. These two things we will do in the next class. Okay, so far you have studied whatever I explained you learned it whatever I explained you. Okay, and we will see in the next video, in the next class. Goodbye, take care.